Hello crafters and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria. I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. Let me know in the description box down below, how did you spend your Thanksgiving? Okay guys, so I already decorated my home for Christmas. The only thing I have left to do is to decorate a 3-tier glass tray. And I wanted to make some Petite fours, also known as mini cakes. Now I have done these before in the past. The only difference is that those were for spring and these are going to be for Christmas. Now these are very simple. Once I mixed the colors of my desire, I went ahead and just started shaping a little marshmallow shape, and then I just start pressing it down to my liking. Once I got the shape that I like, almost looked like a little bonbon or bonbon. I don't know how you pronounce that. The Spanish is coming out. Anyways, so and then I just went ahead and decorated afterwards. Now I chose to add a Christmas flower, which is the poinsettia, and I used a star cookie cutter. I just cut 2 stars out, and then I used my clay cutter knife and made little lines in there, making sure that I did not cut all the way down because I did not want my clay to be sliced or anything like that. I just marked the lines in there and try to make it more like a leaf pattern, and just place one on top of the other. And then I added some yellow little balls of clay. Okay, as well, I am going to be leaving a list of all of the items that I'm going to be using in this video in the description box down below.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
So now I'm going to make a 2-layer mini cake, and this was very simple. I chose 2 different colors, which was just the red and white. I chose to go with. Now for this, you will be needing something flat. I have this clear block stamp, and the only thing I'm doing, as you can see, is just I made a ball, and then I'm just flattening it, going all the way around until I get that desire of a square. Then I did the same thing to the second piece, which is just the color white, and went in with some beads and just decorated the top of it, and that was it. Because the clays were still soft, they held on their own. I did not need it to use any type of crafting glue. Okay, so now I'm going to be making the candy cane mini cake, and again I did a marshmallow shape. Then I grabbed some red and white clay, rolled those out, twisted them, and then just wrapped that all the way around on the bottom of my cake. I had some left over, so I just made a little heart shape and added to the top. right, so here's a closer look for you. Now guys, I am so sorry. I did not realize that I was not recording when I made this one. This one I wanted to shape it into a little gift box. I thought that this would be adorable considering that it is Christmas and all, you know, gotta have a little gift box in there. But anyways, my friends, as you have noticed as well, we have come to the end of another video. I am also excited that now I am going to be able to decorate my tier tray. And here is another closer look on how it looks. So my friends, thank you so much for stopping by. And until the next video, stay safe, be kind. Bye.